Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Today we're going to practice the tiptoe in QiGong to unblock the meridians, to get the qi and the blood flowing. This is also one of the longevity practice according to the Taoist principle. Now let's get started. Find a comfortable place to stand, feet hip-width apart. Take a deep breath and relax your body. We will repeat each movement 50 times. 3, 2, 1, go. Lengthen the arms up and lift your heels off the ground, and then swing and drop the heels. Tiptoe each day. Keep old age away. This is a famous Taoist saying. Inhale, lift and reach up. Exhale, drop the heels and swing the arms behind. When you lift onto the toes, you are really stimulating the stomach and the spleen meridian that passes through the inner and outer side of the feet and along the legs. This can help support digestion, metabolism, and even lose weight, especially around the lower body. Synchronize the movement with your breath. Raising the arms overhead stimulates the triple warmer, the Sanjiao meridian, supporting the circulation of qi and the blood. Slowly lower your arms and take a breath here. Three, 2, 1, go. Bring your hands to your shoulders. Inhale, lift your heels off the ground as you lift your elbows up, and then drop the elbows and lower the heels. You can also imagine there's this magical string pulling from the crown of your head, lifting the whole body and lengthen through the neck. Each time you lift, feel the back of your neck press against your hands. As the elbows drop, you gently tap the portal of order, the point on the side of the body, just below the rib cage. This is a master point on the spleen and the liver meridian, the Zhangmen point, the portal of order. Stimulating this point help release stuck emotions. When the heels are lifted, we also stimulating the master point on the kidney meridian. Lower your hands and take a breath here. 3, 2, 1, go. Interlace your fingers and flip your palms. Inhale, lift off the ground. Exhale, drop the heels and then continue with your breath. Lift and drop, lift and drop. Each time you lift, lengthen your arms further up. The chin is tucked a little. Press into the back of your neck. And also imagine this. Magical hands descending from the heavens, lifting you upward through your arms, like raising the handle of a basket. This overhead stretch helps stimulate the yin meridians that travels along the inside of the arms. Those are the heart, the lungs, and the pericardium. Lower your hands. 3, 2, 1, go. Bring your hands to your waist and lift your heels off the ground to generate high frequency vibration. Keep the heels from fully touching the ground and avoid bouncing too high up and down. Keep bouncing. Vibration is energy. This helps slim and strengthen the legs, also stimulate important points on the stomach and the liver meridians along the legs. This tiptoeing Qigong can be quite strenuous. Feel free to pause the video, take a break, and then come back to it later. But keep generating that life-affirming vibration. Lower your heels and release your arms and take a break here. 3, 2, 1, go. Lift your heels off the ground as you're sending one arm up, reach towards the sky. And then lower the heels, alternate the arms and lift again. Rotate your neck away from the arm. Stretch through the side of the body as you're rotating your neck away. We are truly working on the entire body. Bring mobility to the neck and shoulders, and upper back, middle back, and the lower back. Lightly engage the core and all 10 toes to softly grip the ground. Gently lift the Mingmen area, the door of life point that is on the spinal column, almost directly opposite of the navel. Lower the arms and take a few cycles of breath here. Three, 2, 1, go. Once again, interlace the fingers. Inhale, lift your hands up. Exhale, flip the palms towards the sky. Lift your heels off the ground so you are standing fully on your toes. And then lower one heel down at a time, alternating from side to side. This is our tiptoe mountain climbing. Keep the arms stretched upward and bring the arms closer to your ears. Feel the opening of the chest and activating shoulder muscles. Keep the pelvic floor gently lifted. Each time you lower a heel, feel the energy traveling up through the leg into the lower dantian, the body's energy center. You did it! Take a moment to notice how your body feels. Friends, let me know how you enjoyed the tiptoeing Qigong, and leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.